Hi guys, welcome back to Karamia's Corner. I am back with some fun items from PandaHall Selected. The first one I have is a 6x6 paper pad and it is adorable. It says "With Love" is the name of the paper collection and it's a pretty thick cardstock. I'm glad that it's not thin like the origami paper. So this will be perfect for your ATCs. You can make a nice sturdy mini envelope. Here are some of the prints, so I'm going to put that on the side so we can see them. How cute is that bunny? He is holding a little mushroom. There's some polka dots. And then we have some birdies and the cute bunny on the bike. That is too cute. So it looks like you get 2 of each. And there are 24 sheets in this paper pack. And while I was browsing their website, I noticed that they had tons of choices in different sizes as well. So you should check that out. Here are more. I like this retro with love. How cute. I like that this one has a bit of grid lines underneath that. Oh, I like this. They almost look like flower stars. And it looks like there's a little doily print here. That's really cute. Definitely pastel shades here. And then here are adorable bunnies. Oh, I love that. It's like an air balloon. And then here are some darker tones. And this would make a wonderful photo mat. And some cut aparts. How fun. These are so cute. Oh, it says I'll be right here waiting for you. So again, you get a couple of those. And let's see what else is here. And then we have these gorgeous vines and 2 of those. So that is the paper that I was able to get from PandaHall. Here is an adorable clear stamp set and I love it. It has a spring theme. Spring is one of my favorite seasons. Look at this adorable lamb and her floral garland. And this squirrel, I've never seen an adorable squirrel stamp like this, so I really love that. And of course, we have all our other woodland creatures here. I did pick another stamp and this one has also some of my favorites, which are books, coffee, and nature. And look at all the variety. There are so many different stamps to choose from. The wonderful part about this stamp set is that it came with coordinating dies, which comes really handy. So if you have your own die cut machine, this is the kind that you would like to have so that you have that precise cut. You can always do fuzzy cutting, but sometimes I don't quite get the corners right. And this tool is amazing. So I'm excited to put this to the test and we will do it together and test it out next time that I see you. The last item I picked was a stamping platform tool. There are a lot online and pretty expensive ones, so I thought this one was an affordable alternative. We'll be trying this out as well next time. Their website was filled with so many fun choices for crafting, scrapbooking, knitting, crocheting, all that. And they also have an amazing clearance tab where you see all the items that are on sale at such a great price. It was just amazing and so much to choose from. So I'm excited to play with these, maybe make a mini journal. We'll see, make some cards maybe. And then I hope you guys can join me. I will have their website linked down below with an exclusive discount code, so if you'd like to check it out and have a look and see what is at PandaHall Selected, make sure to check the link down below. I hope you guys enjoyed this haul. Join me again next time and we'll make some fun crafty items with these stamps and this paper pad. Thanks again for watching Karamia's Corner. See you next time. Bye.